Speech for the chosen ones. Greeting, chosen ones. Today I stand before you with a simple reminder: you were not called to be ordinary. You were called for a purpose. There are moments when the path feels difficult, but when we're called for a purpose, there are moments when the path feels difficult, when the weight of responsibility seems heavy, and when others may not understand the calling on your life. Yet it is often those moments that your strength, faith, and character are being developed. A chosen person is not someone who never struggles. A chosen person is someone who continues to move forward despite the struggle. You have been given gifts, talents, and opportunities that are meant to serve a greater purpose. Do not hide them. Do not doubt them. Use them to uplift others, bring hope, and make a positive difference in the world. Remember that leadership is not about power, it is about service. The greatest leaders inspire, encourage, and help others rise. Be light for those who feel lost. Be a voice of wisdom when confusion surrounds you. Be a source of faith when others are ready to give up. There will be obstacles, but obstacles are not the end of your story. They are opportunities to grow stronger. Every challenge you overcome prepares you for the next level of your journey. Stand tall, stand tall in your calling. Walk with confidence, humility, and courage. Trust in the process, remain faithful, and never forget who you are. Chosen ones, your promise is greater than your fears. Your future is greater than your past. And your calling is greater than any obstacle before you. Go forward with faith, go forward with strength, go forward knowing that you were chosen for a reason. Thank you.